Hi everyone. We had done a previous Google Play Store dataset and we had a part for the app rating and app downloads. So we can see from the Tableau Public dashboard we are replicating. We have this for the app rating and we have this for the app downloads, which also stands for the app installs. So what we're going to do now is on IBM Cognos. We're going to work on this now. So what we have here is the rating from 1, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, and unspecified. So for the downloads, we have 0 to 5,000, 5,000 to 500,000, 500,000 to 50,000, and we have 50,000 plus. So let's have a look at it here now. So what we're going to do now is we're going to use the select tool to put them into brackets. So the first bracket we have for downloads, which is our installs. The first bracket we have is the 0 to 5,000. So we come and select everything that has to do with 0 to 5,000. So 1 falls within that bracket, 1,000 falls within that bracket, 10 falls within that bracket, 10,000 falls within that bracket, 100 plus falls within that bracket. So let us show. So 0 to 5,000. So we have 5 falls within that bracket, 5,000 falls in that bracket, 50 falls within that bracket, 500 plus falls within that bracket. So let's create, sorry, let's do that again. 0 to 5,000. So 0, 1, 1,000, 10, 100, 5, 5,000, 50, 500. So we right click and we create our data group. So we'll call this data group 0 to 5K, 0 to 5K. So let's put it in a way we can understand it. Create a data group. That's our data group for 0 to 5,000. So our next group is 5K, which is 5,000 to 500,000. 5,000 to 500,000. So we have 10,000, we have 100,000 in that bracket, we have 50,000 in that bracket, we have 500,000 in that bracket. So let's create our group. So our group is called the 5K to 500K. 5,000 to 500,000. So the next bracket we'll be creating will be 500,000 to 50,000. 500,000 to 500,000 to 50 million. Let's just say 500,000 to 50 million. Let's come here to 5 million, 1 million, 1 million, 10 million, 5 million, 50 million. I think that bracket covers it. 500,000 to 50 million. So our next bracket is everything above 50 million. Everything above. We have this, we have this, and this. And create. And see it here as 5 million above. It's 50 million plus. So let's look at our accounts. Zero to 5K. We missed this 0 to 5K. So we'll add it to this group. Zero to 5,000, 5,000 upwards. We're done with this. So we go to our ratings. So for our ratings, we have the ratings 1 to 2, 2.1, 3, 3.1 to 4, 4.1 to 5, and unspecified. So let's come and let's remove this filter. Let's reset it. So we have them. So we have 1 to 2, 66 counts. So let's start. 1, 1, 2. So let's use our select tool. One to 2. then we would like to create it's supposed to give us the option to create a group with it. Let's check our fields. Okay, let's change it from a bar to a column. Let's see. Okay, so let's also have it as, let's see if it gives us the option to create a group. Not giving us the option. Nice. Undo selections. Okay. So what we've done is to create a group. So we'll still come back to it in another video for the rating. So the ratings can be grouped. The ratings by app count. So we have it here, app count. Okay, I think we have, let's see if that's a problem. So we're checking the aggregation if the aggregation was a problem. The aggregation is not our problem. We'll come back to the video. Thank you very much.